Hello, scrappers. Got in with this other load. I had that little truck there, or Jeep, kind of laying on top of the tiller there with the gate up. And then I'd lower the gate, get a better thumbnail picture, and it came tumbling down. So looks like someone modified it on both of the back wheels, trying to get better traction. Got a studded tire, yeah. But I figure I'll put these online on Marketplace for, I don't know, $20 a piece or $10 a piece, something like that. Yeah, if you scrap it, you're not getting much. You got a little lead acid battery, and you got two little bitty motors. So yeah, you don't get much. Yeah, I don't have, which I'd have to, put it on the ad. No batteries, or no, needs battery and charger. So, and then I don't even know if they work. So they'd be taking a chance. I'd probably just have to run them at $10 a piece, or just throw one in the dumpster each week and be done with it. Pull the lead acid battery out. I just noticed this tiller's missing the guard over the belt. So I don't know what that's about. I don't know if it runs, but I thought I might be able to resell it anyway, because I got a guy kind of buying that kind of stuff up. So on the go-kart, it's a nice go-kart, but it looked like it had some front end work needed. The tire was laying, tire and wheel and all that was just laying on the ground. But the one younger guy that helped load, he said he's going to take it to his house and fix it. So okay. And I got I got the riding mower here. Not 100% sure of the brand. Hydrostatic transmission, 19 horsepower. Good little bicycle with no seat. I gotta check out that cement mixer, see if it works. I picked up some, interesting items, some resellable. If the mixer's bad, I could still probably get 25 to 50 bucks out of it, and all they gotta do is add a motor onto it. Just get a motor that's rated at the same basically same RPM and horsepower as that is. And I got two more of these power wheels back here. Not sure of the shape they're in. Then they had another one, they kept it. And then I got a little air conditioner, probably 5,000 BTU. I didn't even look, but they say that does work. So I'll have to set it aside and check it out later, and possibly put it up for sale. Should be able to pull 50 out of that easy. So I'm going to get around here in a minute, and oh, okay, that's a Kohler, the Kohler engine. That doesn't really tell me much of nothing. I am not seeing a brand on this mower. Aaron's. The Aaron's mower, I guess. Probably made by MTD. No key in it. So, and then they said over where we picked up the washer and dryer and had that load there yesterday, the guy said that inside the dairy barn there's a bunch of metal. So the guy asked if I wanted to go look at it today. I said, well, I don't really have room for it right now, so we'll just do it Monday or Tuesday. So get a hold of him Monday or Tuesday, and we'll see about it. So I'll have to take this tiller back and put it with my rest of my tillers. I'm just looking at that counterweight, and it's sticking way out here. I'm thinking, why isn't that thing centered? Or it might be centered with the not really centered with the tires. It's about to the center of this tire, and it's to the inside edge of that tire. But it looks like that's the way it's supposed to sit. Maybe so it'll dig deeper on this one side or something. I don't know. Could be. Got pretty decent, heavy, thick pipe. That could probably go into short iron. Just heavy gauges, that is. So I'm going to get busy and get this stuff unloaded, and I got to go after dog food. So doggy's got to eat. Run down. I get my dog food and cat food at the feed store. I think you get a better deal. So, and they're not open tomorrow. I think most feed stores that are open Saturdays, they close at noon. But the one we go to, they're open till like 5, 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna get this drug off of here. I'm not sure. I got to put that power wheel somewhere. I might grab the tractor and pick it up with the fork and take it around by the other junk. I think I can go right through this window with the fork and up under there, and that would work, and get it on out there and get a couple chains and pick this tiller up and take it out with my other tillers. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll let you know later about this other stuff I got to pick up, and hopefully I'll get some of this processed today, tomorrow, and get some more of this back on the trailer, get it closer to hauling in. Hope the price is still halfway decent. With all them refrigerators, it's not going to be a real heavy load. Make a couple hundred, 250, 300 maybe if I'm lucky. So yeah. Anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy scrapping. You guys take care, and happy Easter. Tomorrow's Easter, which you'll probably be watching this on Easter Sunday. So you guys have a great Easter, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.